What would you say today? I mean, because everybody's trying to build an audience. We're all trying to fight for the same numbers.
Definitely. I think we've never been in a better time to build an audience in that we've got digital platforms. These digital platforms are incredibly scalable. They're incredibly measurable, and we can basically reach, half of Australia, almost all of Australia. So it's really it's a really great time to try to do paid advertising. Back in the day, organic reach was really, really powerful, but the platforms are obviously taking away that organic reach so that they can make more money. So you're kind of fighting a losing game there. So learning how to run Facebook ads. We're getting great success with TikTok ads as well. That's a new platform coming in. Google is also very, very strong. And if you really know how to create content, you can do YouTube as well. So yeah, just building sustainable processes and systems of content creation and then buying media on those platforms is really, really powerful. And that's how we've built our businesses.